Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Tara. Today, I thought it would be super fun for us to make a refreshing, summery, and super delicious tzatziki sauce. In the past few episodes, we made some homemade pita bread and some steak gyros. This tzatziki sauce is perfect to top on your gyro or to dip your pita bread in. You only need a handful of ingredients. It's super easy. You guys are gonna absolutely love this recipe. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video. Be sure to click the bell icon. That way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make this refreshing and delicious tzatziki sauce, smash that like button and let's jump right into the video. We're going to start by grabbing a cucumber. I'm using an English cucumber. I love using these because they have minimal seeds. And I'm just cutting it in half and then lengthwise in half. And I'm scooping out what little bit of seeds there are. We don't want our tzatziki sauce to be too watery. Then I'm using a box grater. You can also use a food processor with a shredder attachment. And I'm just going to grate this cucumber up. I've left the peel on for this. Then I'm adding it to a kitchen towel, and we are going to squeeze out the little bit of liquid that is still left inside of these shreds. Get all of it out. Now you could save this liquid and throw it in a smoothie or just drink it like this. It is very refreshing. Get it out of the kitchen towel. Then I'm adding it to a larger bowl. Of course, you could start with a larger bowl. It would be easier. And I'm adding some plain Greek yogurt. I've made this yogurt myself, and I have a video on that if you'd like to check that out afterwards. I'll leave it up in the cards and also in the description box below. We're going to add some salt, some dried dill, some lemon. I'm using both the zest and juice of this lemon. This is a very large lemon. If you have a small lemon, you might need to use two. I love this gadget to juice the lemon. It makes it so easy. Then I'm adding some cracked black pepper. Next, I have some fresh dill, so I am just chopping it up. If you don't have fresh dill, you could skip this. However, I love the extra boost of flavor that it provides. And I have this roasted garlic. I roasted it inside of my Instant Pot. If you don't have roasted, you can also use fresh garlic and just mince it up. I do love the sweet flavor of roasted garlic if you have it. Stir it all together. Guys, when you make this tzatziki sauce, you will never buy store-bought again. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you have a chance to try it. Let me know any recipe ideas that you have for a future episode. I'm gonna leave a playlist of some delicious recipes on the screen over here if you'd like to check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.